So we're working on the review page today. So we're going to answer these 6 questions together, and you can follow along on your paper. So it says, number 1, what is the paper about? Amy Bocker-Setty's Foundation, Growing Food at Home, or 2020 Graduation Ceremonies? So what was the article that we just read? What was the title of that article? So the title of that article was 2020 Graduation Ceremonies.
2020 Graduation Ceremonies.
Number 2, who do schools want to celebrate? Seniors, architects, or spies? So think about our vocabulary words this week. Who are the schools celebrating? Seniors, architects, or spies? Schools want to celebrate seniors.
Seniors.
And seniors are their last year of either high school or college. Number 3, where are seniors graduating from? Schools, restaurants, or factories? So seniors are graduating from schools.
Schools.
Yeah. Number 4, where are some schools having graduation ceremonies? Underwater, in space, or online? So think about what you're doing now and what you've been doing for the past few months for school. Have you been doing it underwater, in space, or online? We have been doing work online, and so graduation ceremonies are also held online. Number 5, what are usually in May or June? Winter dances, graduation ceremonies, or football games? So usually in May or June, what do we have? We have graduation ceremonies.
Graduation ceremonies.
Maybe you went to one. Maybe you were involved in one if you're an 8th grader. Number 6, what do people give at graduation ceremonies? Presentations, speeches, or tests? So we didn't really talk about this in our article, so I'll let you know that people usually give speeches.
Speeches.
You see someone give a short speech at a ceremony kind of to encourage you with your life after school. So let's go over our answers again. Number 1, I'll just read the sentence. This paper is about 2020 graduation ceremonies. Schools want to celebrate seniors. Seniors are graduating from schools. Some schools are having graduation ceremonies online. Graduation ceremonies are usually in May or June. People give speeches at graduation ceremonies.